CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 19th of June 2025. Eli Brembaum says that the people of Israel are worried about the war. It is dangerous that the war does not seem to end, when people are dying. People's resources are being destroyed. They are moving from door to door. God takes care of them and they remain steadfast in faith. Pari Husseini, Syria is going through great trouble. When there is a civil war in the country, many people are kidnapped, some are killed, women are subjected to sexual violence, but Christians are steadfast in their faith. David Ravens says that the Word of God is changing people's lives. People in Iran want to leave hatred and extremism and live a life of peace and security. Now they are delivering the Word of God to everyone in their own language, Persian. Sigba Lucy says that in Nigeria, Fulani herdsmen attacked her mother and sister, and the attacks are not stopping. Terror is spreading everywhere. The authorities are silent, and people are forced to leave their homes and areas. Sam Cook says that the situation of Christians in Manipur, India is very worrying. Often extremist Hindus are taking advantage of them. Now they are also facing floods. All resources have been exhausted. Only God will send help for them. Imad Felix said in Egypt that unreasonable restrictions are being imposed to harass Christians. New churches are not being allowed to be built. Churches are being closed in important places in the country, and worshippers are being attacked. In Myanmar, Christians have remained steadfast in their faith in many attacks. Yu Wang said that the church was destroyed. Now people are afraid to worship outside because they may also be attacked. Christians demand protection. But the government is also in cahoots with the attackers. Many people in Kenya are protesting for peace and the protection of Christians. During this, shots were fired at the angry people, in which many people were injured. Albert Ojwang died of his injuries. Field Marshal Asim Munir from Pakistan met President Donald Trump in the United States. During this, they discussed peace in the region, PAK-India tensions, Kashmir, the Israel-Iran war, and the rights of religious minorities in Pakistan, especially Christians. Nagi is a Christian woman in Libya. She was subjected to severe physical and mental torture for talking about Christianity. Then she was handed over to the authorities. They also tried to forcibly convert her to Islam. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.